How to convert text file to Excel. In order to convert a text file to Excel, you go to File menu and click on Open as usual. So if you have your from the Open dialog box, you change the extension to All Files so that you'll be able to access any file. So since we have we pick all files, we can see the text file here. As soon as we click on this text file, a wizard dialog box will appear. So you follow the wizard dialog box, you check it properly, you click on next. You can adjust the column here. This line is adjustable. It's adjustable. If the text is not aligned into column, you can align it here. You can align it by clicking on this tab to give you a line break. This is a line break. We call it line break. So you move to the next step. So it's general. You can change the column data format from this angle. You can see the column. Once you check it and you discover the column is okay, then you click on finish. Automatically you will discover that the files from the text files has come into your Excel. So this is a simple way to convert text file to Excel file. From here now, you can now format your document in Excel. Then you now save it as. You save it as, you convert it to Excel, no longer text file. So this is a simple way to convert a text file to Excel file. Thanks.